Yemfa Serapisi Mfama Allah say enefie the third day in the month of July. Ahwe swabo ehoban na era sotiase. Emraso say yetrasi na yesinupi. Sema hodo twa goma Ghana ne wiase na yede 2 good hours atrasi benyamre na yetumi adi ho enkomo. Aseda bi nso enkomo aseda bia no. Kasafo ni da Kuma TV na ohwe sinupi dwumadie. The Tosso also enkoma your proud sponsors Dr. Muhammad Isa Babimu his Herbal Center and afi so no God's Way Casket so mo so musika so yasne so so bitia beka ho na afi no yetimi abodwe ton de ho daru so etumi e de amama mentia Dr. That the course health service more mentia doctor mi say nchekra weba abeka ho madwumade no etumi akoso ya trust benyamre na yedi nkomo ene efiada akokosom aba ewo mosdemi asafo ahodo emu me some doson the Electoral Commission of Ghana day 4 of the voter registration exercise nuguso ekoso anwa the president of the land Nana Adedankwa Akufo-Addo etimi eboto akra e ma ko hese de esi kro futu no de Ghana fo nyina se protocols no modern na yentimi observe yinu free right. But I was saying the doctor catcher said, "Oh, you're asymptomatic." On solitude. But then this is Saturday exercise not on Tuesday. No, I was saying that machines being 1 and 7. It seems so. IT expert to so a day or and then the driver you know matters positive. Though the driver not according to no driver no see form, but no there we see form. When we be an interaction, we be ahead a minute. Sad year, but then I'm being the why you know it's yamra and so it no. Untimi emfana na djuma ento one need kan koy na afi ono ankasa edete koya his excellency Adiatu se papa no on resign as a deputy trade minister no so ngo and I can celebrate they are found including the general secretary of the party NPP John Akraka said panel no so ni general secretary for the NDC and say enya no nko a panel no na intui emfano emfaso ebiyamre na yedi nkomo COVID-19 day 4 of the voter registration exercise nema ekoso the adopter for bi eka eni the abetudwa enesa adopter for no yare no chia na echi wo mo chia na echi wo ma the abetudwa currently kwa no one enese ukopiemu ewo Accra Trust Hospital Dr. Bakoye surgery ono yes, COVID-19 be so to be the minority in parliament NDC for Nkwa Abekasa actually say almost said they are buying and the electoral commission is here especially on this COVID-19 yes actually protocols influence having ama here na yare na se de be spread no na akoso point abano ene isi antoto ne ma ye benyamre na ye din komo on the Electoral Commission and so and then yes second issue I behwe a question na ebi nya wadwen kire pa say on pen na Akufo-Addo any NPP aban ehu be hu say Ghana for e be sign amom second term ana should the NPP government be given second term to rule ana wo hu media omodia boss am say proud to December 7th elections 2016 and am buy no matimi aya wa ko to aba last year wa afi na so to aba ni BBC e twase e to omo so ana say yensi omo fo ibenya ndre ni edi nko abi che no 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 ni ede Michael Nana atuma ko be from say Mike na etumi aje so na me sure say on so a channel so we are live on Facebook Kuma TV and then on YouTube as Sam Dakus TV with me ahead and so on the players are cost one so you say you be one teach one and this one I did now don't know what teach one and there are other issues we nyam na yet me edi ho enkomo ewo ahase yentwa ye ho emra ye ba guests ewo fi ha Jackson Pra social commentator and oha and then Sir Wallace Abebiu administrator at the NDC Ashanti region and regional communication team member communication officer for the NPP ɛwɔ Secretary Kumawu Kennedy Kwaku entry ɛso ha yɛn mo bedi nkɔbɔ yɛn nkɔbɔ asese ɛba yɛbɛto aso. Right, yes, I am Ayafakwaba and from a Sinupi on Kumawood TV. I said that and come out Mohis Eba Center and I have a Gosway casket. You go so here did come Electoral Commission and come day 4 of the exercise. I'm Ayafakwaba and I have Jackson Pra, a social commentator and a colleague journalist. Jackson Akwaba. We have a call there. I don't sure. Yes.
Mechia agafo ene kurura na se to review so ntia ne abi before benifo ene ndisi for benifo nyina
na one till decay one tia Jataba UFP UPP
akani mi o mi enu na di kan dem mo so akanyina no
akanyina bom
mechia obi abom mechia odike mechia Jataba mechia
Akpalu
Akuyadonko
Ajima Rollins. Okay.
Omi na acha. Onu nyina me che omu nyina nti me nyi obi amfiri ne motor bi ana first and second di kan ba. Nti omo fa nche but me che omu nyina awie.
Right. Say wala sabe bi o. Akwaba. Boko de.
Seke
NDC mo office o mo bie me busa o se mo bie ma fa ho na nse me fa ho na
question
me fa ho no na me say me nim say na ma pon dia around be 4 o se mo pon say
oh you feel
right ma me ko ahoma no so enkudi nkomo ma me ne Mr. Benjamin Bano Ashanti Regional Director Electoral Commission eni nkomo emra sabana hotel yanka ya mwajoba sinupeso kuma TV hello sabana
hello ejo ka na na
ere fatame mbaga kakra
okay let's try to me better ma so hu
ere wadaroma and day 4 of the Electoral Commission Jumadi Amudi register Ghana for body mfie du motwe na omo ewo sound mind in Ashanti region so far kwesen
onyanko po adum bibi ekosu kama the shasi and China to know has been very impressed bibi ekosu onyanko po ayadum on to sion fancy Jumadi ayi so you to be mudie if you abata no atana pa na so you no ma wi no am ya pa me hayi makaka ke no ko yi shi aka ti ajadi amaye the fee registration na first day no itimi ko ni mukaka we're able to capture 59,540.
okay
And second day also we capture 78,144. And then so it will capture and I register 54,207. Which interest in an navigation cost. Fortunately, after the one we got a little challenge with social distancing. The name of the place who are we are able to ensure social distancing or control.
okay
The benefits are human applicants to buy Kapano, the man brother, some of the last 50 no, what of the Biafra. If you two are focused on the number of I would say another 30 to want to marry. And not one more conjunction to reduce. The being approval the additional care. And as we have some market, the form hole with clean. The association could not thinking the action or so. Which means the job for them to be getting the marketing to be able to but I will be able to maintain the social distancing. Police also are more boy and Saturday so across the world. Aside that, you see all the other protocols are other one preventing COVID-19 spread, you see, you are here. You let us again to give you a coffee. Come on.
But everyone saw Bekono, Utimu say, as a Nipana bar Pesua Kakra, especially polling centers are a walk one. I said, any school mono. No, Mutuana Mobiana.
The chance of being open what you give you good now. If you are strong, if you New Year, that area now, you choose. The will be what I'm doing to look at everyone knows lower. We choose 7% of and come for family to but you just you'll be able to be we make sure the distancing is ensured. Another one I did not talk about is the wearing of face mask. And it's a mandatory. And impose will be things then you need to want to be a mask. You will be a while demand center. How we are supposed to keep this.
Na padaroma emosha asie no obi abe wuremu ebi onye Ghana ni ananse bi a opekwan bi abe wuremu abe register ma mache no pen apolisi fo ache no ana
Oh, challenge cases as ma adwuma bibia kosu yi so so bi ba na te usu se on qualifier to be a good or na Ghana ni na se anything I mean, we need to know create another until a whole lot of things that the only one thing you be the amount challenge for and on the boy mapasa challenge in our way, you know, that's why the being challenging into the now for so being and that's how it's a moment over office and our what to papa. As soon as you opportunity means resource unqualified, intimidated, challenging registration. Look at that trainer. Obama 4 no appeal at the amount. A fellow we are like a Yamamu, you are challenging and the wow challenging. Yamamu da motivation. That way, I can't watch it. The need to know challenging. I let money could be those who are challenging. The day we in registration, no more fact, God, no, them no. And I go for them. Now, Danosaur, no part. Now, the demons in the air. The Nippon did demand. The card, the man. We did also. Na getting to that I could be young for card and not say and it's so the one now challenge cases and the whole region
But Susubio, don't I say
okay. And now we did two news what in your 38 challenge cases.
Okay.
And of course so far in 109 challenge cases. The committee no better near the
another way so institutional registrations no it is say your mofrano SHS final year students no school because school mo na mofrano agile classes register together with the parents and I say awofo na almost be register center hono any information say mo be institutional registration e dey ma students no Ebrebe na eno no be shase.
National issue.
Okay.
Your name for one time so after the NCBA Electoral Commission Management, the better out, the procedure, the first one register that one. The more you sure. Registration here the amount or qualified which here you can see it's almost school the more happen and here the institution affirm the register
Mr. Bono, allegation of Basen people we also your Basen Crawford for constituency A and our constituency B Sabe no manya entie ho say the city say me hu ni say me nua no bi e wa fidwa ase ba person me do ba asko ba register me do me ma register wa asko
e ba jo o la no e make clear grant ni nti di oka
facha me na me bisa say basin of people say bia ye fan crofo bia free one constituency e dey aba another constituency that be register no e fun so ho sa na
Basing of people from another constituency or district to another district. Is that what you are talking about?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
It is not allowed. Into agents, they can challenge such people. And we don't encourage staff to be incorrect because the things anybody should be there. Personally or physically. In taking education,
Okay. It's no over challenge and as I say because organically
challenge and you to be any Ghana challenge You can challenge anybody on the ground, say, Nipano Eda say, on your gang, any one. And now say, we need feeding or treat, any one. And now say, any unknown your friend is that, and you can impersonation. And now say, until there be a cast of Tino. And now say, I'm ready to know coins, who intimate you again. If you challenge in the BPL, here maybe many panel and true again. To be able to make also any challenges.
Most exercise now, not the issue of health officers. The one you call around, you say, health officer, we are not. I think they took you so far. Mr. Bana,
I said, could be more ready to the organ that's
okay. Now, Mr. Say, the one who says they are not health officers any around the police centers, no. So far, when your health officers around all the police centers are Omobua easy officers now.
A patch of your one nurses. Oh, most of our officers, but this should be our almost no sister. Some will be to me at slow moving hour sentence. But third, I get no young on my economic training on how to get the thermometer.
Okay.
If the baby of a could be there, somebody using the thermometer gun. Whether the person is a nurse, another staff, or any engaging or undergo that training. Done it here.
Another before, Obekasa political parties no, Oma comport very well in ensuring a very successful registration.
Oh yes, Onyanko Poada Roma. Any political parties known for very good relations because the baby no, the Mahomo chip and son they are for and the AABA have a common platform for all of them.
Okay.
The Tusuma will be who be a for even if start this describe and a day for the Tusu MOB who's me. Pay the company. There will be YouTube videos. Obama officer the piano. The money because the system is so transparent and so verifiable. The DNA will be between here, will be between the escape. We want to ensure the level of transparency. Now, I'm not following so everyone say media hitting with the whole thing that we have the trust and confidence of our stakeholders. And I think we are able to do that. I also know we are satisfied with that.
Okay.
Anybody, whatever you do here, because everyone has his or her own personal interest. But yet, the year come and see a soon or minor near in the year. I'm a Yamaya exercise anything away the result you did pop on channel. They are true reflection of the desire of the people.
Okay.
That way to be able to take your
Maybe because of the share said the one I was Swansea. Now member of parliament for Swansea, Honorable Mutakaka said Market police stations be modern CC border towns or border border towns are a Swansea constituency. In an attempt say MPP for more those nearby constituencies no make you register and on another easy plan and now some of the favor the MPP as claimed by the member of parliament or Aswansea.
If I shall be invited the district of Sano, member of parliament, no snow, now they could be a minister, in fact, then to be a good see for that. So, almost, I think maybe honorable member was before.
Okay.
And there one locality, there were about 5 or 7 centers. And then I'm saying we are not in normal time, you know. Commission here say yen disperse those centers so that they are very overcrowded. But those centers now we move straight and within the same vicinity. I sent a BNC for the Africa. He was here, my doctor was here. She explained to all of us, and I will be at here. Then we had to make a course.
Okay. Mr. Bano, we are Boame. It say mobile 6 days. We are the next process now. They saying.
The real case. Yeah. You call the next day. And you see another set of registration centers. You call for your work, man. You know for 60, 30 years at 50. If we are the same, another center, you know, perform the 30. Once you do about 60.
Okay.
After the third center, there will be 1 day break. Now, for you, they move call the fourth center, which will be the 40. If you 4th center now you call the 5th center, the 5th. Then we move on to MOPA. By 38 days,
oh, okay. But finally, media accreditation, yes, I said you're not media, no, you're calling us, with one station ID card. But I also have information say most of the accreditation now, more officers no attending to the media, no. Sound is clear.
One sure letter my media accreditation, now you need to apply. Who apply at the demo? You apply for it and you indicate the number of people are here. Well, it's the money now they are back. They buy them out.
Okay. All right. Mr. Bano, you're not a very busy man, but we have known you for some time. You say we were very neutral. The rest of the because one would now say our own pantry. Now election be successful for my. Good. Right. Your name, Director of Elections at the Electoral Commission, Ashanti Region, Benjamin Bano, and Kodin Komo. I've known Mr. Bano, and then talk to you, for me, you're a very principled and neutral person. Bonfire pastor in Yankupon say, there will be a training na elections no 2020. You declare results no very successfully na can say work no district yes such a family such a kumewu district yes such a kumewu and na constituency na kumewu constituency. Congratulations. Thank you. Elections and how many MPD in common elections? You are supporting the member of parliament. Okay, so you went into an election and you've won, right? Good. That is saying just a minute.
Oh, sir, who said some contest with them and you're going to have a premium.
Yeah.
I'm the kind of tomorrow. I can. The kind that you're sending table in the city. I started from 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The cassette on the table. I'm a sailor. I could disrobe. That's not before. I said, a coin.
Okay.
Until you didn't say, I can't just or share current empty on far post at the end down. When that post our down. The corner in your way. On no, none of the time is the poster. So this guy will acquire BCC on 10 on yet.
Or more than
no. Or better poster. I was delegates. I dream. No, it's still a big one. Oh, my.
Okay. Exactly, that's what
I'm dreaming. The posters no more touch. What are the one? That is man of Konya. A man of the year, a candidate to me. No, I type posters and name the boss. No,
general management. Going into the general elections, no. To my move more Kumawuno. So almost posters are one team. Tamakuma money and I will do one thing.
No, yeah, call that Grammys. Grammys here in Bapubi. I will need more number. Okay. And I put one. Now, yeah, pockets. Yeah, that's how you perform so or more command form. Only a hot water. A year's other. And your own quiet, sub your moon answer on the tour. Name the another one I can. And no chance. Right. Because the castle will come for the mass. Now, maybe I want name that be like catcher and say. So we knew that's why I got to about ma when I'm off my soul. Nasa or ma, the secondary school make a part. omenene
okay ntino said the man for pen no na come who delegation so yeah right
because I near my course no se kana ye kan dia nka MP kan
but onya bitu ya idea
na nesika na ni dwumadi a wodi a aso man for no
right I was able to do come on Sinopi na me offer se ba ko ochina ne birthday Gita Dakuwa Entweji Mount Olivet School Gita ochina your birthday yesterday nyame say Yakopon onye okese pa kopim so be kese pa edim say enwoma su ya de acho dada e mo abotre ene kunudie ene yesre etumi e de ama mommy ni daddy so say omo e so happy birthday I'm sure say very free Jackson what ye Mr. Bano only in charge of the electoral commission I was something region was be okay politicians na tell be at least will be interesting but then protocols be than akwemo so far in Ashanti region first the 59,514 with 86 challenges second the 78,144 38 challenges and then 84,207 the third day with 109 challenges so far one monitor exercise now mixed with COVID-19 protocols I am follow carrots ahenkra ne dia abebumu resignation aba say we any protocols no tikra no no resign honorably say one resign one person be needing to resign honorably and it matters arising from this registration exercise mintio
how many minutes
okay my name okay I've given you 7 minutes
I'm giving you another
okay
5:14 okay but I say so here registration no can say normally can start here the previous registration exercises across one mile you want to say it's mostly characterized with allegations, beating, and election defense and registration more practices. But the no be seen with so far the year I think so say at the corner Ghana will be the victor. HSA. As I'm like largely successful no. But your picture of a new picture I just say we are on course. But me share the number of eligible voter and what say in your Ashanti region. And the pace at which we are covering up the numbers, no, and now it means largely because we na bibia a peaceful. Or when does the do go and register, we've not done anything. Unless many of the number, I think that we are looking about 4 million of
17 million.
No, we are looking at some margin of in Ashanti region, same area.
Okay.
Eligible voters within Ashanti region. Do one a bit me cover within the stipulated time now is here. It means about 95% that means we are on course.
Okay.
In terms of registration, no number of people say bit me registration and a bit largely. But on the other issues, social distancing, I think with the media bringing it to the attention, say social distancing protocols is not being adhered to, and then matters have improved.
Okay.
I must confess that matters have improved. And one of the say any bread na affably na so, and it was not helping because of situation in room. It was not helping matters at all. But it has improved. But me fear and say na the numbers will triple. The whole Ghana. As we stand now, you have 18,000 confirmed cases. They want 18,000 and some figures confirmed cases. But you are really a bit compare almost 50,000.
Wow.
See, I pay we get to around 50,000.
See, I pay here.
Yeah, pay here.
Good.
Because Obinya, it may transfer money by 50. Almost than 500 on.
It depends. Yes.
Obi to me,
Yeah.
so yeah,
One person.
One person. So yeah, is symptomatic. Obi to me, their money by 500. This will be called registration center, not copy care. The entire household. Obi enya obi azu obi akodin koma. So yeah, hwen here, but it me ketelim and nema pa, it me ketelim measures ni here. They will not get the but the way I know a course, yeah, we are only taking it within Ashanti region. But in front of the whole Ghana, we are course. I strongly anticipate say enroll by the end of this registration exercise, will be recording about 50,000, and that will not be very healthy for our country. Jabaino and we now Oman in Koso, just as the Nema starting improving me. I think largely over here sometimes allegations of non-Ghanaian deliberate challenge of somebody not being a Ghanaian here challenge now a mabo. I went one then we registration among say start here and mabo conso. But this more practices in the say about opinion kind individual interest in one may resort to some registration more practices AM1. It is a right to say this phobia. Yes, phobia. Me assume radio so the chairman of Aswase no Kasambasa only by a child on the NDC for you can confirm. Then we issue a disclaimer. Say so be a more practices be and family one. We NDC new crime family. I think that is the way to go. So that to be a better argument so no matter so that person will face the full rigors of the law. And now where Mensante under challenging the yeah, people have the liberty to challenge somebody, but that strategy in one way every weekend will be open or standing for parliament at least. We say that cross-border, cross-boundary registration and the emergence strategy among for use. Say there, we say constituency we watch here. The boy street just across the other street, one right different territory, and just across another street, one right different territory. And it's a we polling center be benwa, and registration center be benwa. The interface will be register as our Canadian, not by here also a high. And so wow, any political party be no and answer the parliamentary candidate no should be very alert, because never trust your opponent. So he will bring forth a fair deal. He has something to achieve through good or foul means or obey. Until you better, but it depends on what territory now want. Whether NDC, MPP, whoever that is registering, who here register. So one when you and hold you know. Now when lose election, when you lose that because you are for family. You are family so be when you grandma will them. Put me in protest, but it means so finally. Honorable Carlos, they have given me come here. One more na question who born patete kremu dada. Good avoid bonus bo. Say in some way course of party, no a free forward dada. Unipass for any the Unipass for confusion nearby. Now the free forward is not bonus bo say. Why yes, everyone be paying and understand the integrity of that business. It is so he doesn't seem to put his feet on the ground. But I know see a domain. Why yes, our business be based on that the consideration. Deputy Minister of Trade. Into one gas and for what 2. Ghana Nigerians issues starting with Memuha. Nigeria for close to border. Now Ghana for so close to border. And then Nigeria for engaging other businesses. Okay. And also born so boss say is not being truthful. The Ghanaian community are engaging in business and born so boss say is not being truthful. To one casano, there will be certain allegation level against you. Why go into this direction?
But also call on the social distance no the adwuma pa.
What the adwuma na kan capture. So call what in the care mu pa yes she because other ministers, who is one deputy, other substantive ministers are omokra no fire rape no. Unfortunately, I'm fire rape no. For them self isolation. And to go then until unni wa obi bu for ntimi nhwe actually. Okay. But what man say me hwe me time the bar because I got 3 minutes. So unni wa so unni wa so the business I got 3 minutes.
No, over 1 minute much.
Hey, Pastor Dio. So when you are, obi betimi abechiri. Nti wa wo die nimu already e kan say nkofo bebe flouting e me achichi bi mu. Nti so we abai panyin na say wo flouting rules no. And I said this directive. Now abai anya wo we a. In fact, abai a big blow ama the government of the day. Nti Nanado is right within the ruling. So o man the kwan so no tender in the resignation because you tolerate we are. Trust me. Obia ye be chino and e be indict no for contravening the orders of the president on COVID-19. So it was a test case for President Nanado set Odem Rabe Yejuma, irrespective of who you are and the count in which you are.
Right.
But why has Adi? Like I said, Nanado has shown the direction. He has shown the example. Said baby, I'm gonna do any bread. The minister be formed on this directive. So when the ruling authorities will be so formal,
right. Ugo so Hesinupi on Kumau TV. Again, channel 0543 596 070. A WhatsApp or screen any I will say numbers no eguso. Wait me again Chabare Nyamre Akenkan at me at the Ama. You didn't come on the for the electoral commission process. Voter registration as I say Koso, a Hong Kong, and Yegusua ED. I remember Ken. Mako Ransakra, what the electoral commission response Ghana Medical Association, the Omodiaba, and Karasa Henkra, the COVID-19 not observing protocols. Meet you.
My mentor, Wahefo, Mentia, a mechanic for a taping for more region and constituency. And more, Yankee show about something else. Thursday, in a corner rounds, my conscience for stressing registration is the cost. My person said, because you could do baby in oil. I found that see an baby, you are starting a room in oil, any pictures. Oil on a police station in also, because our police station 6 now. Now, the also show a 2 as I 8 years starting. Na me could do one or you can only start here. We say line, you know. I'm going to film. Another line on my 2. So I was thinking, say, maybe a line 2, instead of the panel, and was from line 2. Not necessarily old age and disability for a line.
Oh, okay. So what did my yet that's
social distancing, and then when packets you are about showing and I told you about so that was one at the editing. And about one, me bought Ghana for Apaso. No more the conference, so Apaso said, now this registration that Bani come and this is for a quarter or 9 minutes, you know, immediately they will say, yes, at here, they take the date second to 12. And we have to be the cool ceremony. Be at the or more almost register for be also register. Only the DBA, okay, now you see what as one see then yet and to quite asset, which be a member of parliament on the 19th of the chair. Okay, my no, me fast of one money baby because over Massihano. I would say consequences are outside Massimo. Country no, netro no, essence within Kumasi. Because within Kumasi, that is a will share.
We are wouldn't cross over video.
You go to your Furukum, or Furukum, consequences. We know Furukum nationals now. They move Bandrino, maybe a dark Furukum, and I mean move Bandri, maybe a dark Kufrum, and then Manchiano. Okay. And so the nation soon. Anti money no adding to go say Obekokana police is beer never for come the fence as I say but will be also a pen until you go letting you will be free crowfoom after register as once because we are no moon say honor a banner the same way I would do a news one now be as once a year to pay for more Muslim and then say you know member of parliament in a common and but one challenge I'm and say or say or complain I'm say police station back see NPP yeah and they na did say na because the fact say you see NPP never born me say anything is na energy and why the demarcations no who say ahana ebeboa on phone me sure say omo kwhwe hu say NPP ni bi to program be about police station about no NPP ni permit na feel on say ba sa ma na Yeah, so your for no complaints and the police station best 4 and 5 so as once here. Or moment on the end is a dear influence in the panel. A organization I have custom. Provided all your MPP and I NDC. A dear influence in the war. So we should be got some money register. And I say, obey them. What I say. It's in the idea of say a common money and to quite a so far, this registration a call. So I have figures here. I paid my so this amount for
register.
And that's low, but registration no cost of I am because so far so all count total number now. Let's say you can move 200,000. 3 days now.
And this is for Uncle Alas. Moses Wunya Hunesa. Not just a Ghana for ready for Matuabana MPP.
Oh, there. So is the other no ask you. Because we Ghana for say, that registration your way, and nearby a country, a money about you. Into one hair, another than for the MPP about. Now, share a pay a little bit 9 years. 7 years on winter in the running mate to crime. One Ghana for the money. My, make a as about 2 years for 2020. Now, back once a being see Ghana. The freezer and if you God is the first time one. Ye been ya in the permanent one. How much happened? A year now, was when you happen a year now. Sunday may be a big ones and ye. Now I told only 21. What else? It is all right. On my Bengada, John Mahama. Say a man a Konyamo. Dikaya, walk office. No, yet. Vice President, a good for no president, and no more Konya. Not gonna afford this sympathy. You are Professor Moose, a free moon. The man can see you. Now we are home of said I said here, Papa de Panomo, what practical CBM or Ghana for a this sympathy, and it won't on the bay can. Some good Supreme Court, your man. The basic 2016. At the end of the year. What is it? Because of foreign fee, you know, say now running advert. A bear said 20,000. I said,
yeah, but I say and 12 on Peninsula, and I see it before. But then protocols, no. A man for observer at registration centers and that. Because Ghana for observer, Sanka Hen Crank, Congo crowd.
Yeah, may I do about one a hammy, a war, yeah, or man for Emra, yeah, many people. Na answer am ran be am ran I just say ni pale de edi mran so what you say me hu de ntia edi pa enhu ni say sa yare e bai enhu se be ka wa uche ni ye no bako na ye nwire ye nkwa ye nya mo mpani a wode nhia bai say yare ya aba eni pa obi na ni nya contact ya ana ka sabu uso a ubenya yare ni inside the check ya entity enter e jira ba bi e ko ba bi ni ba obi an entity enter 1 minute na ya wo ya san share max na ni pa nso aso ben ye nya nsa eti eno no ye mo man pani no ana ye ha na na se ne nkasa ne ha yo what you say na asomo ana this for kan na amaso pinu ekra aka bisisi a se e be du se ye nya registration we don't so ni pa 50,000 anya copy bi Minia, it's a different to that Benya, can you registration Benya no? So, of course, Central Market, Oko Brazil, Oko a fence. Some mathematical casino, and that has one, I had that as well. Registration. What is it? You who send you also send even who send any pabes 50 and send you probably Benya. Kenya can take it and come at one.
Some number is a good one, of course. Yes, the winners of Sabaka was a
young friend free lie almost, but all rented as on a home set, and it probably be at that. So the bank that's what to say, or more would you 80 right. But I see, so time, I'm quite callous. Uncle yes, means you. A sass and one of my sass you, K2 South. Ya de asoja phobia kogu ho ni kwa san komo ho aswanse ya ba sen croford ba here and there so far the mu you okay
ya kira kana kuna na money do kuma Commander Robert, for a start, no, in your career, he said, I'd better ever to money your abattoir. No credit. Can I fool you? See a man down for money your 700 Abuya, Etimania, Tabaco, Tuaya. Don't be just why I dear pa, not to Abana according. Excavators. I did guarantee Makum 500 or no minister from Bob Watty. I say, almost easy in Swajra. It is another dump of why or your mamma no money your pa, never saw to Obama. Kumaunu Riba. Or pretty Kumaunu or relations, we know Kumaunu. Hello, go independent. Kumaunu choose to lawyer Ingrid or say after losing MPP promise. About 20 sub-chiefs among other assembly members in the constituency are said to have met the former New Patriotic Party United States of America branch chairman in his private residence at Dadiasi, while other big chiefs invited him to their palaces to lobby him to consider the possibility consider the responsibility in the interest of Kumawuma. Almost say, na onko Kontongre ononkwa nyina yesisi no fani omoka so apinti ade kama so wo so na ade koy no ahonkan yusi
ana Filipano
ahonkan yusi o free at America ni ade sa waba abayi ya udi bika fe no so free dadi ase ayin fono bre ka sa o ma recommend say dadi ase wo ahonkan yusi ne ko o ma recommend we for lawyer ho ma enti so kuma wo udi sa ho ye Bokowa, Bokosa, 20 sub-chiefs, any assemblymen, and almost say about your 20 will be sir. It is royal or no, or not, you know. So let's say your front place the boss. Or then, yeah, you are. Then to be who you then show is you grab it now, Cocos or no ADC. I say, dean of all DCs and Cs in Ghana, or then. NDC cases Sexual Affront Place MPP for passing minors to registration centers. Only American. Yes, what then Chama Kofeli free Mampong. Kumewu Asante Achamabogo Odoma Ba Center was on married.
Yes, say allegation.
And so much be. How much be? Yes, you watch it. MPP for NDC for the body.
Yeah.
Sir, I guess NDC for youth or the normal declare would be that say, what won't free her constituency. Now, the Baho, I better register or Omabozu begin saying soon now. Until NDC for and a yes, we not work. So, Mama or Parliament. Oh, I didn't know. What can I do? What's in the
member of Parliament and they go good here. Never resist to bring interest, no go good here.
Said then, would they come?
With the only as a one who go proud to be I want to. Because of Baba will sell crown and what to be there. I said, the end this year, maybe by now. Now,
the NDC has observed with great concern that the desperate but lazy DC who wants to become a member of Parliament has imported people from Agogo, Kumawu, Paramai, Nsuta, Mampong to come and register in Drobonso. Aden, Kofeli Free Mampong, Kofeli Free Konongo, Kofeli Kumawu, Kofeli Aden. Then our prudential will teach you more. Or so Robert Francis for open day. Cases was say finally, it will be recalled that on Friday, 26 June 2020, a group of aggrieved residents of Drobonso invoked the powers of River Drobon and its adjoining rivers to punish any non-resident and non-citizen of such a front place who will attempt to register in the constituency. Tiabobiawi, now we have for free mampon. Yafo free ha, now so baba ko register. Ko register. Okaya, almost say or then chairman will be 500 Ghana cedis. Around one buy, and was some more promise say, so tomorrow no winner, or not going to be a scholarship, was I the 500 cedis. Omo de kan nyame na menka eto den tebe so no wa da wa ba asase so no sei na wo be ye aso ya so say how can have me voter registration teacher bar students to Aswansi, one arrested. 21-year-old Edmond Safo has been arrested in the Aswansi constituency in the Ashanti region after being bussed allegedly with his mates to the constituency to partake in the ongoing voter registration exercise by the Electoral Commission. Okaya, Edmond Safo is a student of Asantuma Senior High School.
Yeah.
Ena Yatino. Yatino was what a Pankrono, Tafo Pankrono. And then the teacher, no, visual arts teacher, or they say, Anado. And so, Gandhi.
Yeah, I don't know.
Aha. And what do I call say? A honor muka, you're better in tem, amo. Only you Mako 25.
Was it 24 Johnny?
So a team will know 24 years, the gap, the economy. Oh my God. A dear Ben, Alidu. Yes, Sabi, you are the worst performing DCMC out of 160 DCs MCs. Oh, now we now cover the Alidu. Eti, I don't know, Carlos Sahinkra. Oh, no, a deputy trade minister.
Yeah.
What a cash for seats. No, what I know, that man, all this guy. 25 we know the caucus. Kufuor use now, sorry, President Kufuor use no a dampo. What I know this can Carlos Sahinkra.
Oh, but investigations, course. Am I be clear almost say indeed, Omubi and her. Where is that? So, meaning that I was saying, I go to
what I know, there are no receipts. No more create account at the Flagstaff House.
Yes. But no 100,000 the winner can.
Cash for seats.
Omo per se, omo eba we bino. But the allegation was that cash for seats allegation was that person was not close to the president. And which was after the investigations were conducted, no. About 2 years said, "Nantisa." No only Kruma.
Alan Martin. You besides say how many people paid, how many companies paid for then before they had prior to the event was not anybody paid a dime. Not you. No, bless every Alan Martin, how many paid people after before they was it 25 people paid. And also and prior to it before at the end say, oh man again, Carlos I even a damo. Now him, Carlos ya woman, me I didn't know about America. At the same time, I say, Carlos Ahinkra. 3 members of Carlos Ahinkra's campaign team test positive. 1 confirmed dead. And one no. Yena Adika Jackson can. Some 3 members of Carlos Ahinkra's campaign team have tested positive for COVID-19.
Okay.
With 1 person dead, according to Prime News.
It is from time.
According to Prime News, also the 3 individuals are one Nana Bwachi, who is at Tema, West. And currently receiving treatment at home, 1 Bobo, who is a polling station chairman and currently on admission at Kaiko Hospital, and 1 Amankwa, who was his coordinator at Lasibi, who is unfortunately dead. Another death hits the camp of the MPP. Some video was going viral. Xenophobia, Kaisi, Kadi Odadi, MPP force.
That's an old video. Current
old video.
Okay.
When you are going now or some guy, TikTok guy, well,
then the corner.
I mean, some people before I go, the new, hey, that's what you want to one year video, not the one thing.
But that is serious to say that.
Oh,
but it's say.
When they did the autis, I say, oh, me give you another video. What you want to say, Scapa, I am packing 100 CD notes, I am packing the same power, what you saw. Any 20 CD notes, 200 CD notes, the lawyer, TM was it that the new patriotic party has been recorded another day as one of their patriotic members has been reported dead after displaying bundles of money on social media. Or say, the young Ghanaian and the member of the new patriotic team party flagged his words in the video. He said, the young man known in real life as Apia Bar Richard is reported dead as soon as in a Facebook post by one place and then.
Okay.
Well, this blood here, and people say.
That's it.
Let's
see. Right, Uncle Wala said you, administrator, the NDC, and Saturday Region Attorney, Ambassador, and from Mohis Herbal Center. I was here, Yarabia, how be no. Say, who Mohis, everything up wow. We say, Oko beer, Muslim from 24 Hono, Kahopa. Unyame so no daye e no de do no so aba no hama e do de sa yare I don't see say eye huhumu yare anase honamani hepatitis malaria typhoid anase e bia stroke bi na ade aka dem waware awo no emba nyina no Mohis ebetumi aboa amekwa homa ne so na ne Mr. Ejonim Boaten AK Jataba UFP amanyuku no ono ene the leader and founder ene ko dey atawate nka emo adwuba sinipeso
radio sociality wa hefo petit dia hefo
good adama bibia bako dey
nyame adumboko
ene eye 4th day 4 EC registration exercise ahead of December 7 general elections UFP edi kana mo se bom pene ne ade ayi se de e hono twem one monitor process no a so far uhunu se ekosen
yo midasi and the registration I cost and the 4th day no me America say no crazy COVID-19 e wo mind Ghana mu na say social distance and prevent there Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Ghana president or the wicked president because Enema COVID-19 etimichi nikano eno na we introduce you ama amanfo baby wo we do nikano tata so baby wo sem efidie be ye niensa 99 wo ho no efidie ba ko ene nikano tata so pa mark and no say COVID wo ampa de ya ready here you registration no na Ghana for na enya coronavirus
ana na beso bo Ghana mampani fisiri mi se all centers omo Veronica bucket bi ho soap ka ho sanitizers ho enti se ukọ na ohoro nsa hand sanitizer na yesi ye social distancing na wo wa anya ana wo se ye de so bo ko bo mampani o to Jubilee House
me da say o ma penny na the Danko Akufo-Addo ono na stay here e dey general and Dr. Bosman by say omo be the voter register check statistical report you can cross check financial media me politician na contact statistics for no omo say and this year limited registration in Ghana the whole country there only 600,000. And in Kakumasi, 200,000. And if I come by a new registration, how much I need to 18 years. Now, suddenly, once you 18 million, I saw about to almost conquer life and trading. And at the end of the why you 6 days. 1 year for the whole constituency, and I say 33,000 polling stations, and to come what way, to the polling stations, and you have a black issue. And she said, my friend, you know, no, power, and they said coronavirus, why would the deputy minister, Achino, I'm a body about the Sayama for, and I call, yes, job, and where did they go? Nana the campaign manager, and then on the intensive unit, I will call it. Now, when you said I never win in our war, and you can't okay, so you voter register, it's a silence away. No changing it's the idea. Liam should me Emma Mima. I was to 4 years and another 5 years, and your mind of the post already removed.
Now, your call rounds no, we say agents or PNC agents, NDC, NPP, everyone CPP for. Me say that baby UFP for agent too. How are you monitoring the process?
agents were all over the country. All the polling stations, your agents were. Now, Mamin show some of the reports are from the other polling stations, Media may tell the place, Obi Kwabosa ID card, current one, and not the old one now. Let's kind of say current because still now, we are well registered and know the core banker, our bank before any to that are now maybe a two. And see, and you will be amount to all people because the first said here, new machines we see behavior. So be quite first registration. Layer man is number 24. The 0 to 23 no over here. And yet, come on, maybe I'm beginning yesterday or did they share boom? Now over 30 something thousand polling station. The polling station the Monica 23 and no man over 700,000 votes. Mean registration yeah. And now if the air shot here. Now, Kaka with 24. If the second started from 001, they could do that 24 now. Every 24, no. And you check in between, and no one need to say, oh, be careful.
And the police station once really a police station bed, be specific. Now, you're finding out.
Okay,
no son, a constituency.
Police station. Ebi nso fi wɔ Kɔle Krɔse ɛna ebi nso fi wɔ Tema East Methodist Family.
Okay. There's a medical register there.
Whether coronavirus, me constituency, ebi fi wɔ hɔ. And me, I have a trouble with the current register of my starting. To me, it's not credible. What you saying?
You are not credible.
Not credible. Now you are tired, you are going to be back to the apple. Now they are not started 24. Now I am credible. After 24, they can obedient. Also by 28, or also maybe any to do there 50 something. And a coupon is at the end of the day, in record, and they show there, any partner register with police station. But not in reality, you need to register for new 100. And in between, and my chance that the incumbent government, every year abandon a good, or the Crawford makes me a room with more. On the purpose, no better to the new and the new second to mommy. Almost in a chapter, I didn't know because the same computer, the same machine, and one is so passport picture, it will be authentic. And voter register and then credible.
Right. Your Excellency, young folks here, Yamia next week, Ibinyamre, na Edin Komomo.
Okay.
Ura Ejeni Boateng, the leader, founder, UFP, na Oteni Kano. Jataba, I say, we look at you, no. Who say, floss be brave room and you're credible. Baby or her, allegedly. Say, first person register, the number now be at 24. There's 23 people, no, or more. We any allegations are also ABK. Yentwe homra sisi ya ba ya beto aso na yedi nkomo de yebusa ene se should the president our tisui any NPP aban yemfa 4 more years nkom ho said the NPP for e can say 4 more for another to do more no and I say yen drop it aban wasui your views your thought your comment just drop them on 0543 596 070 Ibinyamre near to me kan e de ama aseda enko enfama Mohis Herbal Center odium anwomaso do me abre ho na doctor wo yare bia no okwa obetumi abo apa eni de otenete eno nti na 2019 onya abasobode wo oman Ghana so doctor for oman Ghana nyina no ono na ni yare de ote no te no bon homoden 0249 616937 0249 616937 freno na onyoso yankomra yeba yabeto aso Yes, I am a Fakaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawu TV. I didn't share no 0543 596070. Miss Pomochoa and Francis so. Inti for WhatsApp message in the faso. Ebra ni nyamra kinkama. Wachina Jita Dakunwa NPAG. You are 5 years. Wachina your birthday. Happy birthday to you, Jita. Ma mensa mra uncle wala so. Mensa si uncle wala so. The Ebusa and say should the NPP government be given second term? Yes, I'm a na yawon toa so 8 years said the Ghana for akoye say under the fourth republic no ye no na dwumadi a omodi no ese fata say e bom mfie 9 asaka ho ana angwaras ami ma
okay me da mas yo na mamentia the consequence
good
that's actually east
okay
the kuna for any president tell you must for me that must start registration on Tuesday. Things or China movie. Abra also for a jam, Savannah or Kraku, Nobeso, Domia Bra, and also Hiamantini, Funfuni, but Masi, Afamaso, Kenan, the Church of Munina, Cocotia for you, Mobile for more, Yamor room for more, Yamosini, Domenia Nasini, Bueni, Damasi, Tabrini, the Church of Munina, Samani, Profonso. Chemunya na ya hinkru ni nyina ni abuna okay chemunya na a parliamentary candidate lawyer Safo Duku kese ikawochi den asese ma John Dramani Mahama fi9 man say bi di oman so anase e say ma na Adanko Akufo-Addo fi9 no bi di oman so na sa
say automatically then you say abai what isu o say to anu so mfie na ya
sisa na meka
form for nana
nyesa na meka e say ma Akufo-Addo mfie 9 ka ho no be di so o for another 4 years and I say ma Don Dramani ma 4 years Don Dramani Mahama winning no only years 4 years yes sir
okay what it was
data banzo hele
ya pe mi gira mo data
to aswa
me Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo time na oye opposition member no nam Ghana or promise heaven on earth. I mean searching free abo. Someone yabugu ne boshi. Who can move? O say dey I'll end the full minutes. Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo na kasa yo. E di ntia be yesa no. O kan bi o agogo, o kwasanti acha agogo no o kan ye. O say o kasa ye na asanti acha agogo continue. O gina mu na a friend say on behalf of the chiefs and people of Agogo, the contingent of Agogo, Nana Kwame assured the NPP flag bearer of the unflinching support of the people of Agogo towards his cause of returning Ghana onto the path of progress and prosperity. We support you, whether in the day or at night. Whatever you have to set upon yourself to do, we are in total support. The continent was elected by Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo's pledge to establish a factory in Asante Achim Agogo, a tomato factory. Also, we tomato spa or Agogo area. It will have a tomato factory or Agogo. And ma continue seeing that Nana Ekawachi. Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo, yes, there are Bassibo. Any Kumawu constituency organizer. Mr. Ma, you see communication officer. You see tomato factory. Oh, Abugwana. After me, see Kumawu. What's the secondary school you or you see the claims you Bodumasi and what? Now, as I said, new MP, the Banover Buana would be. Yes, you see, the secondary school, see. Mostly, you see him over be a war.
Ask it.
Rural area. Kumawu secondary school is a very big school to Wakoya. I bet you have from more Bodumasi, if you got Masi Kumawa, is about 10-15 minutes drive. And Sana said,
Bodumasi.
Bodumasi 15 miles drive. 15 miles drive, 15 minutes drive. You get out. Yes. Minimum.
Bodumasi didn't know 15 minutes.
Enduru. Let us say, minutes. You make 5 minutes.
It means between 1 to 15.
enu na secondary school wo kumawu ade na wo si bi obedumase I'm using their own logic ade tina yes kumawu this eduru so anu ache
o dem say we dey
gaisa kumawu this hospital yes eduru so much apo bi kura so me am ko hokore manini akawrem afi na ade adekum ojina lo bia ma omo ekọ ho kakra ma kumawu yine frɛ ni man nyina ye press conference o sa secondary school ya this hospital you want say wanye wonye we nyina o pese kumawu fo za guduma na roda ko guduma o pese kumawu fo guduma ye NDC fo ne ese mama ye mra biom because ye kwai efiri kumawu enam musa kwasa ti achema wo ye NDC sa drobo so kwa no krone evol se kromantia na bibi krobi wo bi po bi wo ensuo to ensuo mu no sei na wo ho a yesi ka wo ko no waka ha ya ye kwa na firi kumawu sa de ko wura drobo so e na o de nche mo ti so mu wa ba bonti no ABC ai ken NDC yes abadu ani tra ya ka tire Ghana fo nyina santimem na wo ye wo ntuma me ka santi asa
o mo hwe wi asina
obi esun sunu do ntuma me ka santimem asa ya ye kom ye si be community service board da se pega edu roofing level ye si bi adansi fun so edu roofing level ye si bi adansi kwabrapa aka wuram drop on so ye ka say ye no boarding house drop on so ya ye bi osio so ya ye bi wo loko ya ye bi wo ha asantibo no nko ya ye 12 it may be 7 ya kanu John Dramani Mahama say asantifo ye butu ama no wa betwa so sana ko tefa this hospital aka ho bekwai DC oya de oye Mr. Chibafo formula ya boso aka ho afari ya ko ni bo be 200 na ye duma se ni ba 4 na wo mo ye duma wa kumawu aka ho for a long time na this year na mo start ye mo duma kono wa kan wure sewura aka wure nti John Dramani Mahama asanti ko se ye be wure go to ma na sa project si nyina wa ya aka wure oba wa be to so no ya mai now ya efa doctors so efa nurses so efa druggers so efa conservative leaders so we be create so many jobs for the people of Ghana our more sentiment ni all other is so one
then see from mesamba
na do dan go akufo Ghana for say omo hwe obi o adenti na so mo hwe obi ara ka o ta ma wo opposition o se e bo position do but we say oye more Bank of Ghana ye o sika ho we don't need to borrow na do dan go akufo say yet sika so enso come there ko blame si na do dan go akufo say planning for food and jobs o hwe body fingers na eba nso bi nkitin go ba kodu akufo ado body o be ka se kodu pa me ensa for 100 series 110 series 100,000 me ensa si wow na o si e bobusia o bara na ye wa bobusia 120 billion from the time of God in Johannesburg 120 billion o so won TV da from 2017 to April March 2020 3.5 years no you move from 120 billion to 250 billion 130 billion abeka 120 billion I will say won TV that from independence what the 3.5 years ago edebe na sa 130 billion na obi abano edebe na ye and that's that go for 30 seconds okay Ghana for nyina say so be ye galamsey e owuram ne yakoti excavator na sikaka ho because na gara excavator na 2 gold okay wafa excavators makuma 500 amana yira sikana kasa excavators 500 on fan to that okay and we go banks 430 within 2-3 years
me that say teacher constitution we am say as COVID-19 is killing people too much, so as we go and register, let's obey all the safety protocols to avoid contracting the virus. I beg the EC officials to drive any citizen who may not observe the social protocols. Isaiah Ventures, Chronom, opposite market. I said Nana Addo's administration is presented in the history, unprecedented in the history of the Fourth Republic. So he deserves another term. Regards to Prophet Joseph Akowua, founder and leader of Blessed Baptist Church, Etimetim, Kuku, Ano. Okay, Farouk, Honorable Carlos should have been measured and cautioned with his decision making. I hope this serves as a good guidance to all in responsible positions. Let's support the government and stop stigmatization. The minority NDC have lost it all. Okay, Isha Allah Nana will win again. Also the Abba and Christian Ewuni from Atiebi, right? Or say Nanado may not be given the 4 years. Even he is lucky. He's enjoying all these 4 years. If it had been any other country, the people in the country would have protested against his bad leadership. Let's vote him out. Okay, and also the other Abba, I don't know. Jemima Edifree Etimetim, or say who will allow Nanado to go again? No, he can't go again. Okay, Jemima, so the other Abba, no. Okay, Mamen Kwaha, or say good evening, Sir Mike. I think Honorable Carlos Ahenkra should be sent to court because some pastors have been jailed because of these things. Okay, JB Christia and JB Difria or the Ebaye. Good evening. Kindly tell the NDC to keep quiet. Nanado will go for 4 more years and Baumia will also come and continue with 8 years. Right. Mess have a message is no so. Should Nanado be given additional 4 years? Yes. We might pay 8 minutes. And we have 1 minute count. I'm 8 minutes.
So don't say Mike, we have to pay our friend, our defender. Now I can say it's excellent. This is Ghana Hano, a Kofukobi in the form His Excellency. Your president, your vice president, and then ambassadors. Even ambassadors, but on Bagana, that's I think a Pamao. And now some Muslim and Yanai, I won't perform a home, a bed for one, sir. The trouble will move it here. Any on one, or my child will answer me. Any president for us. This is all for no, that type of beer. And this is a particular man or so on, shows one other best. And
that is not a one.
Oh, that day. My sense. Mine. Ever power on us. They say you walk. Let's read him one. No. We need a dear, and this one I can say. Omukrano, Omunia, intellectuals, a party. The Japan, Yamu is me. John Dimmer of the Castle of intellectuals, Omunia, party. Omunia, Omua, Sebsebio, Omo, Pengu school now, and the Omageno in this maternity Friday.
One can't say, or say, oh, that was some of a free form. Command of a free form, and a black or so. And that's all so friendly. That all kind, so one dear, and this is going young characters. Don't fight me. Chair, and you to the man, Yura, John Mahama, I was so yet indecisive. Went to me, Emma Nisipo. What I say, a good school that is seen. Papa, you company say school, Kumo, Tobacco, Kumo constituency. Your secondary schools 4 in Okumo. Your Tobacco, that is a girl. Your back mine, and about my sense of other camp. Yes, I will, sir, technical second TBT, and I'm president is 30 years or back home. But the master school, but the master technical secondary. So, anyone, you're paying for. More shape note school education. Homogeneous 7 subjects. The ones you secondary school, you are great school, I want that. You
bankoman so wo e dey ni your constituency here secondary technical it's normal school no secondary technical secondary school secondary technical and na woni say wala say what dey when this when to say apa maka no be say e be kakra ndc ebebu da taba mo a won ate ba te mo mba be san because be kakra no mbedi atro no ma mo fo mo say no that you gra no they say do better be ya finance control dia ene obi a oko office now you vice president a obafie no you president oni obi a Ghana for eto abama no ama no ewini over 1 million votes and they contest you some on the contest here kwa na on you na nse bi o kan bia ye e bo meta sa o chese e dey ma eni bokra eti ma ne ba ho e dey boy man president ko for e dey health insurance buy na bi o what the national health insurance buy
so now Rollins are starting to be
no started it.
Is it a Catholic church or so? No, starting to be over.
It's national health insurance. Okay, there's some health insurance.
For the mutual and then national.
Mutual there.
But I know across the country or every district.
Outside your district to it.
National.
Let the national.
You want to
Who knows?
National cousin or cousin. And then Nana Danko Akufuado. What the end be Anton because ya nyema na do ba ya nyema ni ho bebre but the mu kese a me kan Ghana fo nya ebe hu de ope e free SHS
Red go green
watch I say red go green red dark green free SHS na de e wo ko minua sa nyema wem na Ghana fo be hwe ho ato aba free SHS nko an NDC for year advert upon advert. And I'm saying nipa no di o mani. Ono awoma o twere ye e kire se wontimi nwene. E ma ni si po, emfa ne ma e ma ntimi. Di wotimi dwene ne esi mu tina ye ne se ye nye advert. Mpemso advert. Ne emfa mu free SHS no go ehu yi. Enso me ni de nya bi. E me bi e twere enso ehu nya ma Ghana fo. Some of the Ghana for bedroom when I normally attuned no so that. But I would dream on my Ghana. But already, when you are my Ghana. Ghana, home Dawson. Except that be Omoa, only you. Or Dawson's no moon. Omo and a free SHS. And wow, almost never talk. And you use a mouth who fasten. They would choose here. Money yo, about on of that. Yama Panibi in fear 9. Any from vice president to president super source. I do it in here. Yes, sir. Don't go to the money. One day, idea of pay. Near all the man and will put it. Yes, sir. Jenny, you could do make more because of true. And if you are seeing Ghana, you didn't know. Ubusa, American Yapada, London Yapada, Japan, you know, on Yapada with us there. Oka Airbus say also Ghana president, former president. What I said, I didn't know the Ghana. It is animal the Ghana over has one. Obi looking back at all there, yeah, men, minimum growth for Ghana say, didn't yeah, don't be a real Manaka, don't be a couple of I said, you boom. I can't say boom. And no, I can't. Ghana, or can say a hopeless here, and my hopes. I won't penny forward, you know, Baunia. Any moment to mean your mobile vice president, who come over from me and says, and never be known to me, granny made from my own to me. They did our pepper, me answers so young. They are tossing me, or more else was about it. You want white in my car. We didn't anymore, we didn't achieve James Bobo. Or the records or one, because we did Baba Papa, passion. Papa be did it. Oh, but baby, you're not being fair.
na to na san dia
David I don't think America say any man remove this so say
David
Sami Boachi Asaman Kesi NDC led incompetent Mahama aka government official 1 should be ashamed of themselves. Look at the unrealistic noise they made about the compilation of the new voter register, and now they have totally turned out to register. Okay, Samedia de Abba and OPK goes so say visionary and competent Nana for Ado is on course delivering good governance. So let's go out and register and vote for him and his MPs come December 7th. Indeed, Semai, he deserves 4 more to do more. OPK de Abba and Teacher could do Tepa in the so. Why are the NDC fear the new voter register? Voter registration will not and cannot spread coronavirus. The registration exercise is ongoing. NDC can choose to register or not. Let's give Nanado 4 more to do more. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu for Ano MP. Masaudu Bantima also right. Please, fellow Ghanaians, coronavirus is real. Is not a joke. All should be serious with the safety protocols to save and protect lives. Regards to Honorable Kwame Asamoah Wharton, DC Jakubu. Emilia also writes from Aswanse. Why should the Electoral Commission bring the forms out for downloading if they didn't want anything like getting the form and filling before going to the registration centers? Anyway, why should it happen in other electoral areas but not in Aswanse? The EC must come out and answer this question. Greetings to all social democrats. Ophelia, so okay, also watching it live. Okay, Ophelia, yeah, that's it. Remember, proud. That's it. Good. Should the president be given? Yes, the same 8 minutes I'm giving you.
Very good. Also, topic with the man, in fact, some champagne for me no one here. You see, come with the days where the better ban will be done. And first, your trouble be about way very different. Different, and the question we are very important to say. Your trouble be near what it was against your incumbent and against the untested president's power. It's no more to be directly done. Never gonna forget about you. But this time around, we have 4 years, we switch 4 years. Only the same mandate. A very good say we will take time and analyze the issues. Some of us know we are not swayed by manifestos, but we are swayed by your deliverables. Last year, University of Ghana Political Science Department 4-year report can say majority of MPs will lose their seats. You can't say Kotwaba. And then one Imani Ghana for super year report can say MPP 48%. And MPP for rebate so my year 70. Nana Fufado can somewhere 72.
78.
No, Nana can say 72. At the press encounter, Nana Brown say 78.
Yeah.
Then the NDC had also brought out their own, scrutinizing the performance of the government. I'm sorry, on 14%. Of course, you can expect because from the opposition until the anywhere, they can for now 4 more years for Nana, or 4 more years for President Mahama. Now it will be very unfair to answer the question straightforward. Nana Anyadie, Mahama Anyadie. You don't answer such a very sensitive question like that. And we're saying about 10 years Perusuno because Nanado is presiding over many sectors, many institutions, and many agencies. And then to say sector by sector, ni eduso. Yendoso nyenu ni emu smoothness level as against records and the records of today. That's how we are able to determine say when he deserve 4 more years or he deserve not, he deserve no 4 more years. And very key. Na at some column you contokwa. Now we see me my dear we see me my dear child. Your class 5. So we are confirmed the terminal report on that. We are confirmed the terminal report about where the way I was in teacher farmer. We are called the next term. The terminal report was in teacher farmer. On what basis my back to my dear child was. We also the ordinary about we will look at maths, English, science, Ghana language, social studies. Everything in our see the modern more vis-a-vis into one present TV, you have no basis of arguments with my dear. As we speak now, last 4 years, the NDC manifesto almost say a new green book, almost say accounting to the people of our stewardship, what we have done. And on the good green book, and on the back.
The point is that the question is no wait. The question is the current government. Young man on additional 4 years.
They can't assess yourself to say. Now there's basis. We have to get the basis and be analyzing. As we speak, the government have not present his document about the performance, so that we scrutinize it and says and I deserve it and I will deserve it. That's what I'm saying. The NDC did so. We peruse it and the final judgment Ghanaians per se. Until now, the NPP must also present.
They have done so. I have this here a speech by Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, Vice President, an assessment of the status of the NPP 2016 manifesto at Great Hall.
That's what I'm saying.
So we have a basis to assess them. We can't wait till December 7th before you assess them.
No. Fan said you're working. We should green book. We should be a change. Maybe we grab pictorial evidences. We grab pictorial evidences. So your father said Dr. Bawumia in responding. And at the NDC came back to do their own assessing the government for now. Say what we are political party. If we are there on the scoring marks, but also ultimately we need to be given the basis. Now you scrutinize it. Everything I will be questioning. So we prefacing my argument or my submission based on these parameters. Now, okay, in the class, now 2016, I had a whole lot of things. Now the class here, now the trade, according to Iman, you almost say 300 and something promises. According to the NDC, you almost say 600 and something promises. According to me, Astimemuni, Yemekai, Bibri, Makai 40, Makai almost 31 promises. Gangan to Ankasiam 31. As we speak, NPP has done 6 out
of the 41.
Out of 31.
31 is also far.
That's also far. The main you can already so some discussions say course we na me trade I want to take stock because now so be started fighting corruption the kind dollar the tosun petrol price the tosun yensa not borrowing the tosun 9 one day say one factory a tosun 5 retrieving Wyoming's money 1 village 1 dam 1 million per constituency Zongo Development Fund free education and I say free SHS restoration of national and training teachers allowance creation of new districts no friends and family government farmers pension pay planting for food and jobs reducing of ministers okay NIA card restoration of NIA card the Karawasen me patrol about some of the 8 minutes I'm not done let me finish
check your time
check
your time who started with 13 I was on a dear phone now 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 we to me at us I refer go my phone pass on
13 and some promises when if I say DKM I was going to Kumasi Central Market Kumasi Central Market Central Market insecurity Manado Kamwasem 360 new secondary schools or Kamwasem massive road infrastructure or Kamwasem restoration of Kumasi Shoe Factory or Kamwasem using ANAS principle to fight corruption or Kamwasem or creation of special prosecutors special prosecutors office or Kamwasem Accra, making Accra the cleanest city in Africa within 100 days or Kamwasem tax reduction or Kamwasem modernization of agriculture or Kamwasem and of Sabeka creating employment for the unemployed.
Right.
Send them out can win now where it was so loud.
Right, yes, I am Okaba, Emma Sinupi on Kumaut TV. Yavasida and from my Gosway casket. Abuzia, if not Daka, and I will hear ADC with this year. Yeah, Mount Ever Brab one more form. So, and I am my Bissama the year where you would see would offer be open ambulance with Befer Funo, a dear free mortuary, ever poor if ye as I come we see here. And I say, Ibia, video coverage and I'll pay. I may try the Amawa. And the Paso, Obakumasi, labor runabout, and a Gosway casket, ye walk. Offer a home to fair Modiani abo na eno say then you ska bia fan kan interest bia ni mu e mo ska ma de ye no bia left bia eda 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 offer a ebejo so na ye no etimi edi nkomo Dominic from Takwa no, they don't deserve second chance again. Our president has already said it before coming into power. If he Dominic message never okay, second part, Mr. Host, ask the NPP man for me. Any good footballer don't go for campaign. So if they believe themselves that they have performed well, they shouldn't go for campaign. Dominic, if you tapa and the Abba, okay. I say Nanado does not deserve second chance. He is not up and doing by Captain Boycott inside Kitikrachi for a chawapa. The Abano. We just say Angel Atok Bright from Obuasi, Ashanti region. Please, Mr. Host, a big no, because if we give this Nana Ado 4 years again, then we should prepare to get passport so we can travel outside the country. Okay, and also I say good evening and good job. I'm Joseph watching you live from Libya. Okay, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, today we have free NTL.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, today we have free NTL. Lower the volume of your TV na NTL. Why? My TV volume no and perform na NTL on can. NPP people are doing all that they can to win 2020 election, but God is in control. God bless John Dramani Mahama. Okay, Joseph Lee. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
What do you have free?
I'm just speaking from Asankagwa.
Let's hear you, my brother.
Yes, please. I would like to contribute to the program.
Yes, you are on the program. Let's hear you.
Hello?
Make your point. You can hear you. Make your point.
Yeah, I said I'm just speaking from Asankagwa.
Okay.
Hello?
Go ahead and make your point. Lower the volume of your TV set.
Okay, it's the analysis that you are just like Ben Dixon. You know, whenever a situation like this goes on in the country, we should all bear in mind that it is not in the favor of the incumbent governor. So I'm suggesting to the station and the whole Ghanaians to know that the NPP government should understand that actually we cannot continue in the second term for next coming 4 years.
Okay, all right.
So in case of anything, we shouldn't be surprised and send one together TV and the radio station.
Okay, thanks so much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, that's Robert.
I'm a more about so far. Michelle producer, I'm a glorious, I'm there to mention. Mr. Wallace, see a Michirano, I'm one who by empowerment DC. I will like Mr. Wallace, I Ashanti region. So a movie any pa, I'm a man who pa. Kaka, no, I beg your friend, I'm a chop. Kaka, that crop make I say, many have been no can't say, I am the pa. Say, Nanado, he knew Equatua Nanado. Na diokwi utwewi agana yetuhuni enanyi na betutu opetumi mponi ominia because 4 years de wetwewi na do petumi fe gana sika awose fe gana for life na do didi agro hwe COVID-19 e baaye obi timi tramba bi se na do aya de na me da kopene ye meja wo hwe na do se no ti odi gana for akoma Ghana for nkwa edi agro ne nim ne sa kotraba na na do promise Ghana ina a fairly totally for akriafo the banking sector send amanfo getri esiasi okroma ka yare convenient team bae na na do na pamfo send o masia wi Ghana sika o masia de Ghana for akoma edi agro okroma 2020 no yakoto bantia no be da say
good evening.
Within the Dodona family, the students are with
Okay, Eric, you.
What do I know? My messenger, my can I am on a mobile meet me a kind. The Indian being can say another here, second chance living. I didn't say any back of food. Nothing, I know one and man can be Pakoma. You are going to use Sufret. Yes, I had another. As I decided to answer the India. Every one can see into time. I can't need it because if you're not a crowd, you are phenomenal. A Japanese free and what can we do? A normal. Will be back up at night. I will be cooperating with you.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, you free until.
Medatu. About you want to listen another 2 minutes of you and trading. Nanado Funya Electra Nanado MPP or a president of Ghana. On so ya of a control. One year you need COVID-19 would be a better you. Yet they are your task here better. What would tell what you will die in a fear? Yet they are better in a better COVID-19 number here better. What we need to follow protocols no. O pass na be o wa judgment. O ba ji obedi. Ye de ye betray ye din, ye beto aba atre ya dwen. Apemam.
Okay, yeah, Nasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Okay, was it 4 more for Nana, 4 more to do more. Let's give him another chance from Malam in Suta Zongo and a Malam Sudifria Wade Abba. Okay, na yen fancy emre no enya aye emre na yen fa AC nyame adomo Monday mo be sign ate yenka Zita Dakoa entry eti onya 5 years oko Mount Olivet School KG1 hour happy birthday to you. Medan at the Michael Nana Adomapon me producer Bernard Ade production manager Uchi Nozo Sanso ena cameraman Kobe Frank MCR ena Afenso VTR Augustina and Loretta production manager Uchi Nozo, right? And then me director Samuel Kwabna Dako aka Sam Dako nyame adom na dom ya next week Monday wetenka wote Jackson Pra enka sanso na wote Uncle Wallace na afi so entry kwaku enso enka dakran